Hey everyone, welcome back to Infotech Learning. Today I will tackling a highly requested topic, how to safely allow unwanted app to install on Windows 11. If Windows Defender or SmartScreen is blocking an application you know is safe, it's because of a security feature called reputation-based protection, especially the PUA, potentially unwanted application blocking. In this guide, I will show you the exact steps to temporarily disable this block so you can get that specific application installed. Let's get started. Go to Search. In Search, type Windows Security. Click on Windows Security. In left hand, click on App and Browser Control. Here you will find reputation-based protection. Click on reputation-based protection settings. Now scroll down. Here under potentially unwanted app blocking, you will find here block download. Just deselect block download. Now unwanted third-party app download is allowed in my Windows 11 computer.